I am a man of constant sorrow. I've seen trouble all my days. Well, hi, my name is Jeff Barlett. Today I'm going to teach you an easy song called Man of Constant Sorrow. You're only going to need 3 chords for this song, and that's going to be a G major, a C major, and a D major. So for this song, you're going to use the same simple strumming pattern. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, the entire song. And it's going to be the same chord progression going from G major to C, back to G major, back to C, and then to D. So, let me show you how this is going to be played. It's going to be G, 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 G to the C, 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 to G, back to C, and then to a D. So now that you know the strumming pattern and the chord progression, I'm going to show you the lyrics here on screen. As you can see, you have the chord letters above the lyrics. That's when you're going to change the chord based off of the word you're singing. So I'm going to sing the song for you, and I want you to practice and rewind the video if needed, so you can practice playing this song. It goes like this. I am a man of constant sorrow. I've seen trouble all my days. I bid farewell to old Kentucky, the place where he was born and raised. So I want you to practice the first verse, and then once you get that down, please practice the whole song. It's going to be the same strumming pattern and the same chord progression throughout the entire song. And I'd like to thank you for watching my video. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos. Thank you for watching, and God bless.